Rachel, I create colourful paintings and I make tutorials so that you can learn how to paint them too. In today's video we will be painting this colourful rainbow fish. This was really fun to paint and I hope you enjoy painting it too. As always, this is a shortened version. The full-length tutorial is available on my Patreon, which is Rachel Froud Art, along with all of my other full-length art tutorials. The full tutorial for this fish painting is 2 hours long and I talk you through everything in step-by-step instructions, including all of the different techniques and paint colours that I used. I started out by sketching the fish onto my canvas. I like to do this so I know where the subject will be when I'm painting, and also to make sure I have all of the correct proportions. I like to use the grid technique to do this. I've created a video showing you how to do this, which I'll add to the description. As this is an underwater animal, I decided to paint an ocean coloured background with bright turquoise at the top and a darker blue at the bottom. This creates a nice gradient, giving the impression of the sunlight beaming through the water. I finished the background by painting a second layer, where I added thick brush strokes in different shades of blue to create texture and detail. I followed the gradient from the previous layer, using it as a guide so I knew which colours to paint. The blue background works really well with this painting as it contrasts with the warm yellow and orange shades of the fish. This will make the whole painting look even more colourful and really make the fish stand out and pop out from the canvas. If you've seen any of my other animal art videos, you'll know that I love creating really colourful paintings, so using complementary colours is a great technique to make the colours really stand out. To paint the fish, I used a range of different colours from yellows and oranges to pinks and purples to create that colourful rainbow effect. I painted the fish in 2 layers, which is why this first layer is looking really smooth. The second layer is where we will add in the details and scales. The layers make this painting so much easier to create, so it doesn't matter how much experience you have, this tutorial should be easy to follow for everyone. I'll let you watch the rest of the process now. I hope you enjoy watching it, and I also hope you enjoy creating your own version of this colourful fish painting.